I'm Sherwin, Director of Product Management and Innovation at Garlock.
And I'm Derek Hicks, Applications and Project Lead for the Expansion Joint Department.
And we're here to talk about some of the tips in selecting an expansion joint to maximize uptime. So Derek, tell me, if I'm an engineer or a contractor, what are some of the things I need to think about if I'm going to install or replace an expansion joint?
Some of the critical things an engineer or contractor really needs to consider when selecting an expansion joint is the size of the expansion joint, the temperature of the media passing through the expansion joint, the application, where is the expansion joint located, what is the problem it's trying to solve, the media passing through the pipe, and pressure or vacuum that may be present in that pipeline as well. It's critically important to understand that the tube of the expansion joint needs to be compatible with the media passing through the pipe. Otherwise, the expansion joint will surely fail.
Tell me more about this. What are some of the critical applications that we see that cause a tube of an expansion joint to fail?
So at Garlock, we offer a premium grade rubber compound that truly is second to none. Some of the applications that we see that are extremely popular are abrasive applications. And for those applications, we offer our Abraline, which is a low temperature abrasion resistant tube material, as well as an Abra Shield that is made for higher temperature abrasion resistance. We also offer our Guardian FEP tube, which is specifically designed to combat those harsh chemicals that are going to be passing through the pipe. It offers a mechanically bonded tube that's going to prevent delamination and really keep the media that's in that pipe from leaking. And then the last, where we've seen a real uptick and that we've put a real concerted effort as Garlock as a whole, is the food and beverage industry. And for that industry, we offer our Detectomer nitrile, which is metal and X-ray detectable, as well as our SureTech EPDM, which is designed for potable drinking water. Our PTFE and Guardian FEP expansion joints are also FDA approved as well.
Wow, that's great. Thanks for sharing those insights.